Hi guys, my name is Ambika, that's Abhishek, and this is the tutorial for the song Show Me the Tumka. Now in the medley, we'll just brief you guys that first song gonna be Ladkaiyan, which is all the girls dancing, and then Show Me the Tumka is the part where boys gonna join you guys. But we're gonna just have like a face-off sort of a part over there, so just the song is like that, so we have little fun element also. And then in your third song, which is Kamariya, you kinda go to your pairs and start dancing as a couple together. Okay, now girls, we have finished. Now this video is going to be mirrored for you. This is the right hand, this is the left hand. Now girls, we have finished our dance in the center. Boys, all the boys, okay, gonna be on the left side. Now beginning of the music, it just basically, boys, you can just be little in swag, you can maybe correct your shirt or something like that. It's like you're entering. And girls, we are showing some attitude and going to the right side. So all the girls will be on the right, all the boys will be on the left. They are entering also from the left side. Okay, let's try 5, 6, 7 and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Once you reach here, we start clicking and it's a freestyle. So you just go click 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now once you reach to the position, you can keep clicking. Just in case on the stage you haven't reached, and by that time we can still click and go to our position. So this is a transition step. Now from there, girls, first we're going to start it. Now with your right hand, right side, you're going to go right, left, right, left. It's like you're making step and tapping your right leg. So you go 6 foot paune 3 height hai. On loose character, we go khasmanu khane and you go rub your pants like that. Okay, so you go 6 foot paune 3 height hai, loose character, pant tight hai. Right to left, it's like you're doing 1, 2, 3, 4 towards the boys. पुत्तर पैसे वाले डैड का. Left side only we go point hand, you go up, cross, and you're tapping your left leg with that. Okay, by the time boys, you can just be in your huddle. I'll just
basically they are dancing like this only or this way
we are
only.
dancing very good. Okay, so basically I'm just going to do like your boys section also. When the girls are dancing, boys, maybe you guys can be in like a group together and be like that. Okay, you're not dancing great that time. Just have that face of college vibe all together. Okay, let's start that with the girls. Dance 5, 6, 7 go. 6 foot paune 3 height hai, loose character, pant tight, puttar paise wale dad ka, har din tera Friday night hai. From there, boys, we're gonna go
now
right.
boys will start, they will go chal dikha
Right,
zara
left.
Starting with the right hand will go right and left,
left.
and after that make your hand left hand up and downwards, you will go right,
Mukabla.
right. Now change your hand, right hand up, left hand down, you will go mukabla.
So this is a very famous step of mukabla. That's
Yes.
why we're saying that. Okay, 5, 6, 7
go. Chal dikha zara jo tera dance move hai.
Sun zara.
After that, very simple, you just need to hold your belt and you will go towards right and right, left and left. After that, you need to step your right leg, you will go step, step, step and step. While doing this step, you need to go right, left, right, left.
Okay, so basically we kind of picked up all hook step of famous movie stars like that. So boys, we're gonna go
चल दिखा जरा जो तेरा डांस मूव है.
सलमान खान टूर है मामला धर्मेंद्र 7, 8. And when girls are like boys are dancing that, girls, we are in a huddle and be like, okay, they are
same thing,
not better than us, which is true. Okay, let's try first our part, then the boys part. 5, 6, 7 and 6 foot paune 3 height hai, loose character, pant tight, puttar paise wale dad ka, har din tera. Boys go
चल दिखा जरा जो तेरा डांस मूव है.
सुन जरा मस्त ग्रूव है, मामला फुल प्रूफ है. सोनिए, it's like you're clicking hands and it's like a face off time. So boys, you travel back, girls, we travel towards them like the group together. You go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Everyone, you go right hand point, left hand point, right hand up, and it's like you have a keychain and you turn over the left shoulder. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now the first part is girls, all the girls are doing tumka. Boys, with your right hand, you're going to click towards the tumka. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4. Everyone left hand down, right hand up. You go push down, push up. So twice down, twice up. And the same combination we repeat 2 times. Let's try from dhumka. 5, 6, 7 go. Jhumka, jhumka. Ta-ra-ra-ra, show me the tumka, da-da-da-da-da tumka, and one more time tumka, da-da-da-da-da tumka, 7, 8. Now the once this gets over, Kamariya music starts. That's where we have to go to the partner position. Now, if you guys are, obviously we're gonna be there, we'll make you guys practice, but once you guys practice, if you guys are 6 or 7 in the number, 3 boys will be in the front line, 4 boys at the back. Same way, whoever 3 boys are in the front, the partner should be in line in the same way,
line,
girls
yeah.
also. So all the 3 girls are here and all the 4 girls are at the back, but be in the same particular position where your partners are, so that once the Show Me the Thumka gets over, beginning part is just like you're getting the audience little pumped up, so you go ta 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 ra ra ta ra ta ta ra ra ta 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 ra ra ta 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 ra ra ta ta ra ta ra ra ta ta ra ra ta ra 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 ra. You reach to your partner where girls are in the front, boys are at the back to start ta 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 ra ra ta ra ta ta ra ra. Okay, there was a lot of ta 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 ra ra, but yeah, that's how the music goes, and that's how you finish your whole medley, which is basically Lad Gaiyan going into Show Me the Thumka, going into Kamariya. Kamariya tutorial you guys already have. Girls, we're gonna send the Lad Gaiyan tutorial as well, so you guys can learn all the songs together and you practice together, and that's how you finish your whole medley.